Did you know Amazon is making a comeback in the smartphone market after one of the biggest tech failures ever? Yes, the company behind Alexa and AWS is building a brand new AI-powered phone. Back in 2014, Amazon launched the Fire Phone, and it failed badly. But now, more than a decade later, Amazon is trying again, with a completely different strategy focused on artificial intelligence. The new project, internally called Transformer, is designed to be an AI-first smartphone. Instead of relying on traditional apps, users may interact directly through Alexa and built-in AI features. This means your phone could act more like a personal assistant than just an app launcher. The project is led by a special innovation group called Zero One, headed by Jay Allard, known for his work on Xbox. The broader vision is guided by Panos Panay, another experienced leader in consumer devices. This phone won't just be a device. It will connect deeply with Amazon's ecosystem, shopping, Prime Video, music, and even food delivery services. Everything could be seamlessly controlled through AI. If successful, this could redefine how we use smartphones, moving from apps to AI-driven experiences. But the big question remains, can Amazon succeed this time? What do you think? Is this the future of smartphones?